This is pretty much what our life looks like right now. 2 months ago we bought 2 old stone houses in Italy, and honestly, it felt completely overwhelming. We had no idea where to even begin. But somehow, things are slowly starting to change. Welcome back to Vista Verde, the Italian dream. When we first got here, everything just felt like too much. Everywhere we looked, there was another problem waiting for us. And honestly, we didn't really know where to start. At first, it didn't really feel like a home yet. It felt more like an endless list of tasks and unfinished projects. So instead of trying to fix everything at once, we decided to start with something small. Something that would take years to grow. Because maybe that's how you build a life here, one tree at a time. We decided to start with part 1 of our food forest. "90% of the people watching our videos have not subscribed to our channel yet. So if you want to do us a massive favor, just hit that like and subscribe button. It means the world for us. And I really do hope you enjoy our videos because we are making this for you." After a lot of hard work clearing this overgrown land, we started by planting hazelnuts. And like every job site in the world, we have a quality inspection of our 2 dogs, making sure we are doing a good job. Yeah. Dat mooie man. Hey. So I did some cleaning up yesterday. I'm gonna do some more. And the whole plan is, you see here it's nice and flat, right? I'm gonna create a wooden deck. Hup, 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 hup. Wooden deck. Over there in the corner, a hot tub. And then over here, a beautiful sauna with cinema seat and a panoramic view of this.
So we already have the row of hazelnuts.
Uh-huh.
Next is the raspberries.
Raspberries.
I'm gonna go where the dog is laying, next to the fence.
Yeah.
And then we have fruit trees as well, figs, peaches, yes,
Peaches.
and almonds. And they are gonna go somewhere here.
Somewhere here. Let's go. But making something beautiful was only part of it. After a very cold first month, we also needed to make this place functional. So we built something simple, something we knew we would depend on.
Ja, is flink. Goed zo. Wauw. Ja, ben je blij? Ben je blij?
Maar de hout is echt bekend veel.
Banent.
Jawel. Zeg, dat gaat hier wel naar beneden.
Ja, ik weet het.
Oh, moet ik je tegenaan? Je gaat tegen Otto vlammen.
Nee. Oh, oh. Ja, oh. Duwen.
Oké. Het is gelukt. Tada! Now.
Show it.
All of this. Stairs. More stairs.
After all the hard work, seeing it being filled up for the first time really felt comforting. 2,000 kilograms of firewood being stacked. It does something with you.
Stevig.
Sterk werk.
Sterk werk.
Stiel.
And sometimes it is the smallest things that makes the biggest difference. Little by little, it's starting to feel like a real home.
Mosquito net one, and now I'm building one. You can see the frame. My measurements, and that's for that one.
3, 2, 1. Dai, dire su 3.
Sim.
And in between all the work, we sometimes have to tell ourselves to stop and realize where we actually are. If you're ever in the Trevi or Montefalco region, this one we recommend.
The color and the it's amazing wine. It's perfect with the cheese,
Uh-huh.
with the meat, white meat
Uh-huh,
like
uh-huh,
a chicken,
uh-huh.
and with steak. Why not?
But let's get back to work, because slowly, piano piano, things started to feel different. The moment we started adding life, the place stopped feeling abandoned and started feeling like ours, like a home.
What stage is it?
To prevent our dogs from falling down the hill, Bieke has built this beautiful stone wall. In the next video we will start working on the guest room, so some very big changes are coming up ahead and your future stay in Italy is in progress. Thank you for watching Vista Verde, the Italian Dream. Let us know in the comments what transformation you enjoyed the most in this video.